Bro.
What is that, dude? That ain't normal.
That's fucking huge. Whatever the fuck that is, bro, that is fucking huge.
Dude, that's big. I want to keep recording. I've never seen anything like that in my life.
Not that, no, bro.
Dude, that's some cool shit right there. That's, I think, would you consider a UFO? It's not identifiable. What the heck is it?
I can still kind of
Still
see
going?
it. Yeah.
And that ain't no Starlink. It's not like Starlink's, satellites. That's a cluster cruising across the valley.
That was weird, bro. That was